Here we are in the Chateau, the fancy hotel near the ski lounge, and we'll be seated soon to have some high tea and finger food. This was made during the Roaring 20s, I believe, so it's very evident. Very high class. Smells very nice. And you can see that Mount Narahoe is just over there. Mount Doom, still covered in clouds though, so good view. It's nice. Now we have our full tea time set up with our teas and all of our little finger foods. We have a bunch of things that were explained to us, and I remember maybe half of them.
Oh, I remember.
Yeah, you're gonna explain them all to the camera?
We got beef sandwiches, chicken sandwiches, egg sandwiches, salmon sandwiches. We got a date scone, a brownie. This is like a coconut cream creme brulee, blueberry tarts, hokey pokey, and some macaroons.
Woohoo! Exciting. You ready?
Mm-hmm.